Now, one of the key issues with the current JFF fiasco that a lot of people don't understand is how broke the JFF is and why they are so broke. Right now, the JFF is under financial restrictions from FIFA, which is basically their only source of income. The Federation is in dire financial straits long time, but it worse now, without any meaningful sponsorship. On the heels of $1 billion deficit accrued from a fallout from the unsuccessful World Cup qualifying campaign, the JFF is therefore heavily dependent on subventions from FIFA. And as we speak, their regular drawdowns have been under significant restrictions. So let us say they normally get 500,000 US dollars for the year. They're now getting 100,000 in increments with even heavier scrutiny as to how they must spend that money. And this applies to all of FIFA funding, the regular development funds, as well as the COVID relief funds. Until the JFF resolve all administrative irregularities, these restrictions will continue. And that is why those FIFA representatives keep coming to Jamaica so often. So because of that, everything the JFF does is based on cheapness. And that is a big part of the weakness.